You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Wow, that is quite a confusing name, but yes, let's break down how to pronounce it correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. This is short for Elsbeth, essentially, and it's a comedy drama series too. It's a name pronounced Elsbeth. Elsbeth. It's easy once you know Elsbeth. It's like a bit if you'd say Elizabeth, but too fast. Elsbeth, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.